Next
ANU
stop.
is the highest university in Australia, the most prestigious.
They have a nice. It's still the ano.
Open till 5 apparently. So,
Parking muna kami guys. What's this?
the Australian National University. Not
Australian
National Museum.
National Museum.
Museum, not
Yeah.
National University.
Diba? Dito tayo dyan ah.
I'm going to go in.
Hindi na. The red one no?
It's there.
And then reverse. Reverse. That's okay. Diba? National China Museum.
I'm going to go in the middle one side.
Ito na kami sa museum guys. Iba yung art na yan. Channel Bay A, Australia. Sakit na ng paa ko talaga.
The internet's free.
Go down. Then this is the last stop for today's video. For today's travel. Last stop. Last stop for a 3 days Canberra trip. School holiday trip. Ay. Ng weather actually. Hindi siya mainit, hindi siya malamig. Nice weather.
I'm going to try it, but
Diba? Ang ganda. So where's the entrance? Diba? I think this one. Yeah. Check lang namin yung entrance guys. Museum entry. Museum thingy. Diba? 10 years na ako nandito. Actually more than. Ngayon pa lang ako nakapunta dito. So, let's see. Kung ano meron dito. Haggard Chenem ba? Oh my goodness me. Yan. Diba? Study. Wait lang. Entrance. Mr. Squiggly and Friends. Welcome. Garden of Patreon. National Museum, Australia. Ang laki. Ang laki. What's that? Is there a... Okay. Ang laki. No, go. Where are we going? Yeah, I like that. Vintage. It's a vintage. Ito?
Mutabosaurus.
Mutabosaurus. May punta tayo doon. Bilang natin sa galleries. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Kasi yung shop din. Pasok tayo dito. Ano kayo makikita natin dito guys? Ayan. Cool. Entrance. Enter. Open Sesame. Oh. Oh, ganda. Ganda. Kaya dapat ganun yung ano. Hello, John. Go. Hello. real? Yeah? Or what? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. It's very clear. This one, oh. My God. This one.
Which is your favorite?
I like the opal. Where's the opal, Jan? Jan, where's the opal?
Opal?
Jan, you want to watch that?
No.
It's nice, oh. Gonna. And what's this? Kamatis. Hindi ko pala na-play. Ano ba yan? Ancient na. Typewriter, oh. Oh, guys. Typewriter, chanambe. Yan ang course natin, secretarial. So, pero in fairness, ang ganda ng typewriter na yun. Yan ang jacket. Snowy River Natural Resources. Photography. Ano ba yun? Siya pa ko. Galing. I think there's the ocean thingy in Gold Coast, yeah?
There's some kind of
Yeah.
museum.
Yeah.
Underwater.
Underwater.
Yeah.
Underwater, Jan. We go to Gold Coast. Underwater thing.
I'm not sure, John. I think as long as you took the photo,
Galing.
it should be there. It might be that they're not on iPad.
Diba? Galing, eh? Save the whale. Skull of a juvenile dwarf Mickle whale. Oh, dwarf pa yan, ah. Pero ang laki. What's this? Oh, this is a original. Ah, we go there, oh. Different kinds of. What's this? Kangaroo sanctuary thing. Ganun. Ayan.
Reptile. Catfish sort of just comes alive.
Ito. I think you're not. Hyena. What's this? Oh. Reserve nila. Ang dami nilang ano. Bed of naturalist. Tingi. Chanimbe. Paro. Ang ganda ng museum nila, guys. Hindi siya may ano, corals. Shells. They're just sa maluwag tong museum na to. Napakaluwag niya. Oh my God. Sa ano yan, Northern Territory. Pero hindi namin napuntahan yan. Nandun kami sa ano. Uluru ata yan. Basta malayo. Pero ang ganda. Sa Arleta nakapunta dyan. Ano to? It's nice.
Oh yeah, right.
167
Excuse me.
Oh no, I think I'm paying off some more
Penguin.
net. That's probably that. Yeah. Can't think of anything. Yeah, it'd be nice to know who's. Yeah. be nice to know who's the local bank.
It's a good thing the platypus has thick legs and fur and not long. See those bubbles rising from its back? The fur
Hatching
traps
naman ako.
air against its body, which helps the platypus stay clean.
Ang ganda ng ano nila guys. Oh. Wow. So nice. Ganda. Ayan. So nice. What's that?
It's more into like early 19th, 20th.
Ganda. Oh, oldest dress. Meron pa pala dun sa ano oh. Hindi katakot naman. Ay, dyan kami nanggaling. Ay, hindi. Well done. Ganda. Ay, laki naman na itong pool na to. Laki naman ano pool. Antique. Oh my God.
Making them all what?
You will gonna find it later when it's fully charged. It's nice. Sports racing car. Reserve nila. Ito lang. Ano ito? Ah, gawa ng mga original mga takarigya. Flash core. It's nice. Landmarks. Timing. A nation. Okay. Ito. Ah, mga barya nila, oh. Oldest coins. What do you mean convict tokens? Tokens pala.
I think it was like a something money or something.
Oh, okay.
Like a form of money.
Ganda. Nakasalan ng museum nila, guys. Hindi ko na lang niisa-isa. Ikot ko na lang yun. Ito, what's this dress? Ganda. All this Chanimbe. Ito. Springfield. Wow. Preserve nila. Goksik damat damas dress. Ito yung damas dress. Tapos yung style status yung kabila. And then this one is floral satin. Oh, taray. Mga old channel. Old tools. Yeah. Ang ganda, oh. Paano to? What's this? Old tools. Ito yung na-preserve nila yan. Galing. Courage. Ganda ng standardize, oh. Classic. This one is ano to? Preserve nila. Australia's own car. Ah, okay. Ganda. They preserve it.
Very simple.
Yeah. I think this is expensive now, yeah?
Yeah,
Isn't it? Very.
classic car.
Classic car, yeah. Ito. Conflict and prosperity thingy. Ito. Kala. Ito. Segregation. Student action for... okay. Ay, talaga. May ganyan-ganyan tingi. Ito. Vote yes. Okay. Ito. Oh, this one. Pajama. Ano to? Ikat naman. The first Mardi Gras. It's nice. School for kids. Climate action. Oh, diba? Yan yung pinaka-symbol namin, guys. AFL. Ayan yung ano. Classic na Australia thingy. Coronavirus. Oh. They have a defining moments. Ayan. Ganyan na. Ganyan na. Yan na yung tour namin, guys, for the museum. Where's the exit? Exit. Where's the exit? We go to the exit and we go to the museum thingy.
Shop?
Laba, yeah. The exit. Ay! Is this the other way? No, not this one. Okay. Come on, Laba. Punta lang kami sa museum thingy.
Or when the female stays for months in the burrow to nurse her young. The female platypus also uses her tail to carry leaves, roots, and other plant material to line her nesting burrow.
Ayan, ito pa sa kanila. Ito pala eh. Hindi ko nakita ito.
Wait, is this
Grabe naman.
apparently the last place?
Yeah. Last place and then we go home.
It could take a really long time.
No, it's not. It's only a
drive
quick one.
home.
Yeah. This is nicer. Mamahal naman dun kaya. Grabe, to that level. So this is the end of our museum journey, guys. See you again sa next holiday. Diba? Pauwi na kami bukas sa aming bahay. Bye-bye.
So very